Welcome to Ho Cooking Cabbage Salad. It's light, flavorful, and perfect for a healthy meal. Let's get started. One whole cabbage. Wait, no, that's way too much. Let's go with half. Still too much? Okay, 1/4 it is. Slice it up, nice and thin, just like a pro. Now, wash it with salt to keep things fresh and clean. Rinse well and drain completely. Nobody likes a soggy salad. 500 grams of chicken breast, our main protein hero. Throw some ginger and shallots into boiling water. This will make our chicken smell amazing. Let it cook, then take it out and let it cool. Time to shred the chicken. Get those hands working. For some crunch and color, we are adding yellow bell pepper. If you're not a fan, swap it with julienned carrots. It works just as well. The magic sauce. Here's where all the flavor happens. 3 tablespoons sugar, 3 tablespoons fish sauce, 2 tablespoons water, fresh lime juice. Let's go squeeze them. One point 5 tablespoons lime juice. Now, stir it all together until the sugar completely dissolves. Next, grab 4 cloves of garlic and smash them. Now, the garlic's flying everywhere. Chop it up nice and fine, careful with those fingers. Now, let's add some red bell pepper.
NANI?!
Great if you don't like spicy food, but if you love heat, swap it for chili peppers instead. Finely chop it. And our sweet, tangy, and flavorful dressing is ready. Time for the fun part. Mix the dressing with cabbage, shredded chicken, and yellow bell pepper. Now, for the finishing touch, add some fresh herbs. Mint, cilantro, or whatever you like. It's going to be so good, I'm already drooling. For extra color, throw in some sliced red bell pepper. Give it another good mix. And that's it. No need to add anything else. Crunchy, tangy, sweet, and packed with flavor. A perfect weight loss meal that still stays amazing. Delicious! Have you ever tried this dish before? Drop your country's name in the comments if this is your first time hearing about cabbage salad.